Hi po sa ating lahat, mga kamusikahan. Travel po kami ni G para mag-attend ng Grand Alumni Homecoming at Don Bosco Tarlac, hosted by Batch 2000. Ayan, excited to meet up with my batchmate, Engineer Richie Baun.
Kamusikan! Ay, mabait po, yan po. Pakipollow na lang po si Mr. Alvin
Jerome. Salamat kay ka-mate, Jay Canlas, kim pa mag-promote. Yahoo! Bakala salamat, kin support mga kabatch.
Yan! Kamusikan!
Ang kabatch ko po rin, no? Uncle Jay! Okay.
Ito na po, papasok na po kami sa main entrance para sa registration. Astiga na rin kaya ako.
Yako, pare! Nang may gano'n, di ba may gano'n ko, boss ko? Run, jump, make noise! Diyan sa ball scene, yung gawa ko mo, tas sino ito? Ale, oh! Ganyan mo! Dati, iba rin pangalat, yung mga Latina po. Pare, di ba?
Come on guys! Dito na kami sa event sa football field. Ayne, maka-proud to be a Bosconian. A Bosconian is always a Bosconian. Yearly po ang event na yan. Sobrang dami po ang mga nag-attend by batch. Makapag-bonding, maalala ang mga nakaraan during high school days, mga kasiyahan at kalungkutan. Meanwhile, hinahanap po namin yung table po namin kung saan nakalocate.
Again, we're calling Sir Pio Arugay.
Hello mate, Orlan Ryan Duenas. At ang chick boy ng Batch 93, mate Jefferson Joseph. Walang kapilamun yung high school days tamon eh. And my mate Darren Garcia is in the house. At syempre, the host of the alumni event, na-meet ko rin si Sir Calvin Kea.
Ay, kamusta naman ang mga taga Don Bosco?
And there it goes, start na ng program. Tutugtugan tayo ng Inner Voice para sa kanilang first song, Gold ng Spandau Ballet.
This one's for you people, because all of you guys tonight are all gold, okay? Thank you for coming home. Sorry that the chairs are all warm. I left them here, I could have sworn. These are the salad days, slowly beaten away. Just another play for today. Oh, but I'm proud of you, but I'm proud of you. Nothing left to make me feel small. Love just left me standing so tall.
Time for dinner! Dami foods! At talagang nakakagutom nga naman. Pila-pila lang po. Eh, Diyos ko po, may parakal yata ang ibiyakan ako. Sa Batch 2000, salamat sa pinipare yung food. And Miss Isel Sanchez have chosen me to be the representative of selected Batch 1993 as part of the game.
Mas marami kayong gagawin. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, galingan nyo na. So your first task is to dance the Jumbo Hot Dog.
Ha ha ha! Jumbo Hot Dog daw. Eh na ako mabiyasang tumerak eh. O tiyada na ako mo kaya biya pagkantan.
Batch 93.
Batch 93! Wala. So we have 3 winners. Alvin, Batch 93. Deal or no deal?
No deal.
Ay, no deal. Okay. So, teka, dito ka lang, Alvin, Batch 93. No deal ka. Nag-no deal ka, diba?
And the last part of the program, it's time to rock and roll. Rapacol Band is in the house. 2000. Give your best. Enjoy lang. Alright! Habang ba? Kamustahan! Yan tuloy, namiss ko yung pagbabanda ko dati. Ang saya-saya, no? Sa makakapanood po nito, pag-heart, like and share, and pag-follow na rin po, Kamusikahan. Bye now, till next video always, remember, run, jump, make noise, just avoid fear. Keep safe everyone, and God bless us all.